So now, are you in the church? Are you giving service? Or are you a servant? Can we just move you out that spot and say, you do this over here, you won't get mad? Or can we tell you, hey, I don't want you to do this, I want you to do this, and you gonna quit? See, all I'm trying to do is identify you to help you because you're gonna meet the King. And I don't want you to get up there talking about you gave your service. And when he tell you, but you wasn't a servant. Because he's gonna, listen. All we're going through is a test of the genuineness of our faith. Anytime somebody approaches you and they say something, you know you're going through a test at that moment. Are you gonna pass it? The testing, 1 Peter 1:7, the testing of our faith must be proven that it's genuine.